Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to find your Afterpay card number. Let's begin. First, open the Afterpay website or launch the Afterpay mobile app on your device. Log into your Afterpay account using your credentials. Once logged in, scroll down to the card section, which you can find under Account Settings. Here, you will see your Afterpay card number displayed, along with other important card details. Make sure to take note of your Afterpay card number for future use. This is especially helpful if you plan on using it for online or in-store purchases. By locating your Afterpay card number this way, you gain easy access whenever needed. It saves time and improves your experience when managing financial transactions or making quick purchases. Whether you are buying something online or paying in person, having your Afterpay card number available ensures convenience and speed. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.